all the citizens or people in the Nate's TV went off the air. I'm sadly sorry to all and Chairman Bacon Guy and always paid I love you. So the franchise the claw of the court and the Nate's TV will be low 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 ratings and she's awaiting her life, and because of that court will be sentenced to off the air on May 5 to June 12 to June 11. So better the on air on June 12, that means Independence Day of the Philippines. So I'm proud of them. Higher grades is the Jonathan Show and News R. I'm sorry that all hers the ratings are low. We're sorry that will be good enough to be kind and try your best as you're going in this day. Thank you for your all coming and supporting. Thank you and goodbye.